Students, as far as grammatical topics are concerned of this chapter, Saviour of Mankind, we have discussed two topics earlier. The first one was adjectives and the second one was conditional and specifically first conditional sentences. Now, it's time for another topic that is in your exercise of very first chapter, Saviour of Mankind, and that is affixation. It's very interesting topic, students. Affixation is a process of making new words in English by adding two different types of affixation, that is suffixes and prefixes. What basically prefixes and suffixes are? We will understand this topic better by seeing some examples. Let's see. Prefix is a method when you add some words before the word. For example, there is a root word fair, but before fair you can add un. So this word un here is a prefix. Both of these words join together and become a new word, that is unfair. There is another word, that is danger. Danger is a word, but when we add in, it becomes new word in danger. So this process is known as adding prefixes. Students, both of these words in and un, these two words are prefixes. Now, let's see some example of suffix. For example, there is a word and we add another word with it, that is less. It becomes new word and less. But this is a process of adding new word at the end of the root word. Like, look at another word, that is friend plus ly, it becomes friendly. When we add words at the end of the root word, it is known as suffixes. Both of these words are suffixes. So students, I hope you understand today's lecture very well. Until then, this is Sardar Hamza, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. See you in the next video. Thank you.